Yeah, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'm going to explain in details market analysis. There are three types of market analysis. We have technical analysis, we have fundamental analysis, the last one, sentimental analysis. And under these three types of market analysis, every trader falls under these categories. There are traders who are technical analysts. There are traders who are also fundamental analysts. And there are also traders who are sentimental analysts. There are category of traders that they only use technical analysis to determine or to decide their decision in the market, either to buy or to sell. And under the fundamental analysis, there are also traders that they use the news. Fundamental analysis has to do with news release of each countries. You understand the news released by United States of America or by the Europeans or wherever, or by the United Kingdom or whatever. You understand. So there are traders that they use fundamental analysis to determine their decision in the market, either to buy or to sell. And also we have sentimental analysis. There are traders. These traders that fall under the sentimental analysis, that whereby they use the sentiment by or bias from a well-known powerful man in the world. So let's get started. Now the first thing is technical analysis. So technical analysis, this is a type of market analysis whereby forex traders or traders use the historical price action or the historical data of market event to determine what is going to happen in the future. Let me come again. Technical analysis, this is a type of analysis whereby traders use the historical market data or market event to determine what is going to happen in the future. Now, what do I mean by this? Let me give a practical illustration for you to be able to understand. Like, for example, if you look at this market, if you look at the overview of this market, you can see in the past something has happened. Something has happened in the past, something has happened whereby we have historical price action. So, whenever traders are using technical analysis, the first thing they do whenever they come up, they open their chart, is to check what has happened in the past, how price has been reacting, what happens maybe in year 2022 or in year 2020 or in 1994 to determine what is going to happen in the future. You understand? They are going to like analyze what has happened in the past. You understand? By checking the left history, the historical data of the market to determine what is going to happen in the future. That is the meaning of technical analysis. So traders that fall under the technical analysis are called technical analysts. Now the second one is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a type of market analysis whereby traders use the news event to determine what is going to happen in the future. You understand? The study is the historical news release that has released maybe the previous week or previous month or previous year to determine what is going to happen in the future. They are going to check the previous, to check the forecast and what is going to happen in the actual news release. They use the past event news release to determine what is going to happen in the future news release. Now, under this technical analysis, under the technical analysis, under the fundamental analysis, now there is a popular site that we normally use. There are a lot of sites that offers news data, but the one I would recommend personally is Forest Factory. On your Google Chrome, excuse me, create a tab. When you create a tab, type Forest Factory, forestfactory.com. Let me put it here so that you can understand it. We have forestfactory.com. Under the news, we have something we call Forest Factory, or let me use text box. We have forestfactory.com. Go to forestfactory.com. You understand? Just search for it on your Google Chrome tab. So we go to forestfactory.com. When you open it, when you log in, when you get to the website's front page, sign up, register with your email. When you register with your email, you will be able to have access to the data of the news. Now, for example, let me explain the category of the news. There are three types of news. We have high impact news, we have medium impact news, and the high impact news. You understand? So the high impact news are the ones with the red box, the thick red box. You understand? So if you place your mouse cursor on the box, you can see that it will display a name called high impact expected. This kind of news are the news that drive the market, that move the market with high volatility. But the medium impact expected news, they don't have much impact. Sometimes it can drive the market, but it is a medium. It doesn't have much volatility to drive the market to move with high volatility. While the last one, which is the low impact expected news, this is the box, is the one with the yellow. You understand? The yellow box. If you hover your mouse cursor on it, to bring out the name, which is low impact expected. This type of box, you understand, is the low impact expected news. It doesn't move the market at all. It has no effect in the market, so you don't need to focus on it. But the most important news that you have to focus on are the news with thick red box. You understand? With the ones with the red box. These are the news that they drive the market. These are the news that they move the market with high volatility. You understand? The medium impact expected news. These are the kind of news that they only have medium impact on the market, but they don't really move the market like the high impact expected news. You understand? So when you come to, after you've done your technical analysis or your chart, the next thing for you to check the news they are going to release for the day. So your main focus as a trader, if you are to whatever currency pair you are trading, you understand, you have to look for the news release, the news with the thick red box. Those are the ones that you focus your attention on, because those are the kind of news that will drive the market with high volatility. Now, the last one on the list is the sentimental analysis. These are the type of analysis that traders use to follow the powerful men in the industry. For example, like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, or whatever. You understand? Like, those are the big guys in the world. Just like me, for example, maybe Elon Musk, that by December, Naira is going to, $1 to Naira is going to be 2,000 Naira. You understand? $1 to Naira is going to be 2,000 Naira. Do you know what is going to happen in the market? Everybody will start saving up their money in dollars, because one of the most powerful men in the world just gave a forecast that by December, the $1 to Naira is going to be 2,000 Naira per dollar. You understand? So that is what is called sentimental analysis. Like, the powerful men, a renowned powerful men, just give an analysis or a forecast that so and so is going to happen, so date. You see that a lot of people believe those kind of people based on their credibility over a long period of time. They believe their truth, that whatever they say is the final, because they believe that they have so much knowledge, so much useful information to share to the world, to the community. So those are the three types of market analysis. Let me do a quick recap. Well, the first one is technical analysis. These are the type of market analysis whereby traders use the historical price action. You understand what has happened in the past, how price reacted around so, how price reacted or rejected at so zone. You understand. So it will help the trader to determine what is going to happen in the uh future price. You understand? So if something happened around April, maybe when the price gets to social zone, you understand, price rejected. So in the future, the forex trader we use the historical market data or market event to determine that, okay, if price has rejected at this zone around 2020, you understand, then if price is coming back again, maybe in the nearest future, maybe 2030 or 2040, price is going to react around that zone as well. That is the function of the technical analysis. So this is the kind of market analysis that traders use to determine. They use the past event that has happened to forecast what is going to happen in the future. So the second one is fundamental analysis, whereby you make use of the news release, you understand, to determine what is going to happen in the future. You have to study the forecast, the new, I mean, the previous news release, the forecast news release, and the actual news release. So the last one that I forgot to explain under the fundamental analysis is this the data at the front of each boxes. Now let me use, you can see it around this zone. This place is this 4 p.m. is the release time of the news. Is the news release time. You understand? Now this one, you can see the currency pair. That is the name of the news they are going to release. So USD stand for United States dollar. You understand? Stand for United States dollar. So this box at the front of this symbol makes this is high impact expected news. So this red box means that the news is going to be volatile. You understand? Then if you look at the front data, you can come down to this place that in the previous, look at under the previous session. If you go back to the previous session, the news, when the that maybe sometimes ago, the last time they released this kind of news, so the result of the news was 99.1. You understand? So now the fundamental analyst now forecasted that, okay, in their forecast says that, okay, the data of this news is going to be, the new news that they're going to release is going to be 101.1. That is, this news is going to be positive. You understand? But when they release the news, this is the actual result. I mean, this was the actual result. The actual result figure was 102.0 data. You understand? So that is how to read data, the data of the news release. You understand? We have high impact expected news, which is the thick red box. We have the middle one, which is this deep yellow, and then we have the low impact expected one, which is the yellow box. You understand? This one is the one that moves the market with high volatility. Why this one doesn't have much impact on the market? Why this one doesn't have much impact on the market as well? So this is the end of today's class. If you have more questions, maybe if you don't understand anything, please kindly send a message to my inbox so that I can explain or attend to you at any time or on any area that you don't understand, so that I can explain more better. See you next class.